Okay, so right now here we study integration of here we study integration of complex valued functions, complex valued functions defined along defined along curves defined along curves in the complex plane in the complex plane. So in the beginning I have told you that so whenever we wanted to take the limit, so you will please remember that ನೆನಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೆನಪದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ it is not only along the x-axis but it is along any direction z approaching z naught, right? So that what you should understand here. So z approaching z naught is not along a fixed line here as we have the real valid function of single independent. You know that thing is so, but here the complex variables that not a straight line or along these two or along a semicircle or along a part of ellipse or along a parabola, something like that. Okay, so all those things are there. So that is what we already studied under limits, right? Here also when we go for complex integration along curves which is defined, which is given to us, what is the method that we adopt, that we are going to study today. Okay, adopt. Consider a continuous function f of z. Consider a continuous function f of z of the complex variable z is equal to x plus I1. Consider a continuous function f of z of the complex variable z is equal to x plus I1 defined at all points defined at all points of a curve C So that is, you can just draw the figure there. F of z along the path C is usually denoted by integration of C f of z dz. Usually denoted by f of z dz. So suppose you see it ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so along this path here, this is a line integral from P to Q. So it is denoted by integration of C f of z dz because we don't know what is C there. Because of that we write down in general from P to Q there. Write down full stop. If C is a curve ಏನದಲ್ರಿ, if C is a simple closed curve, then the notation for integration is integration we write down like this, f of z is that small circle like this. Okay, f of z is it. So what is a simple closed curve, that we shall discuss and then proceed further. A simple closed curve is one wherein So there are no cross cuts. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಕರ್ವ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is called a simple closed curve. For example, circle ray, and as well as you can say that your square, all those things where we are not getting intersection there, ellipse is there, they are called as simple closed curve. But a curve like this, so it is not called a simple closed curve, because as you know that there is a cross cut where a curve is cutting itself here. So this is not a simple closed curve. So simple closed curve is what? Starting and end point meet without intersecting them. So this is called as a simple closed curve. And as all of you know that whenever we take a simple closed curve, so we take the anti-clockwise direction as a positive sense. And if you go clockwise direction, it is taken as negative. The minus C and now. So always remember, whenever we have a closed curve, then always you have to take the anti-clockwise direction along the curve C, so that it is taken as positive. If you go in the opposite direction, then it is called as negative. Similarly, from P to Q, positive antondra, then from Q to P, it is taken as negative. So that is what we have in our definite integrals also. A to B f of x dx. This is equal to written as minus b to a f of x dx, isn't it? The same thing here also, that you have to understand. Since it is a closed curve here, so anti-clockwise is taken as positive, clockwise is taken as negative. Okay. So next line you read on properties of complex integral. Properties of complex integral. Let's see here. Right, write on all of you. First property write on. If a minus C denotes the curve traversed from Q to P, in the opposite direction. Curve ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಂತೆ P to Q ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು traversed ಅಂದ್ರೆ if you are moving from P to Q or from Q to P, so minus C ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Right? Then integration of minus C f of z is equal to f of z is equal to minus integration of C f of z is. So here integration over minus C antandra, it means that you are traveling along the curve in the clockwise direction. So that can be written as 1 minus traveling along the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So this is second one. When you do examples, you will come to that. Okay. Now, if C is split into, if C is split into number of parts, say C1, C2, C3, so on, then integration of C f of z is equal to is integration of C1 f of z plus integration of C2 f of z plus integration of C3 plus so on. Suppose namaga, for example, I am drawing here, you can understand that. So I have a, say here, a triangle like this. So we want to evaluate a given function along the path going from here to here. Suppose this is O, this is A, say this is B. I want to evaluate along the curve OABO, that is along the closed curve OABO. So that can be written as, if I completely take this OABO as a C here, then this from OA I'll take it as C1 here, from A to B I'll take it as C2, and from B to O I'll take it as C3, right? So integration of C is complete O OABO on the simple closed curve I3. Suppose if this is equal to C, C is split into what? C1, C2, C3. Therefore, integration of C will be equal to integration of C1 plus integration of C2 plus integration of C3. So that what you have written here. If C is split into number of parts, C1, C2, C3, so on, then integration of C will be equal to integration over each part and adding them. I hope you can understand that, all of you. The same thing we'll do in our this one also. Definite integral ನಿಮ್ಮ property ಇದಲ್ರಿ a to b f of x dx is equal to, right? So you write down a to c ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, where c lies between a and b. Okay, but this already you know that. The same property is extended, right? So third property, if lambda 1 and lambda 2 are constants, then integration of c lambda 1 into f1 of z plus or minus lambda 2 f2 of z dz, this is equal to lambda 1 integration of c f1 of z dz plus or minus lambda 2 integration of c f2 of z dz. This you already know, right? So this can be written like this. Andrelle now ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 1 f1 of z dz ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 2 f2 of z dz ಆಗ್ತದೆ. But since lambda 1 and lambda 2 are constants here, so they can be taken outside the mistake. So this is what we have. So these are all properties which are similar to the properties of integration of real valued functions, right? So first what we are going to do here is we are going to learn line integral of a complex valued function. So all of you know line integral of a complex valued function. That means here we are not going to get a closed curve here. So along a curve we are trying to evaluate some integrals here of a complex valued function. So how it is done, that we are going to write down. Let f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I v of x comma y. Be a complex valued function. Be a complex valued function defined over a region R. Defined over a region R. And capital C be a curve. Capital C be a curve in the region. That means here So we have a region here, right? The region. So inside this region we have a curve which is defined. This is our C. This whole this inside the region that is capital R here, right? So this is this one. Sir. So this integration of C u plus iv. F of z is u plus iv, and you know that dz is dx plus idy. This you already know of. So we are just substituting that. So this is equal to, this is integration of c, right? So we are writing the real parts and imaginary parts. U dx minus v dy ಇದು ಒಂದರೆ plus I into integration of c v dx plus u dy. You separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ minus v dy which are written. So the other two parts will be containing I, it is written, right? So other third ಬರೀರಿ. This clearly shows that evaluation of a line integral. This clearly shows that evaluation of a line integral, evaluation of a line integral of a complex valued function is nothing but evaluation of two line integrals is nothing but evaluation of two line integrals of real functions, of real functions. So I'll try to explain that. If you are completed, just I'll try to explain that. So on the left hand side we have, please remember, evaluation of a complex valued function, or you can say that integration of complex valued function. But on the right hand side, note u dx v dy, v dx u dy. So which means that u is a function of x comma y, v is a function of x comma y. Therefore this is a evaluation of a real functions. This is evaluation of real functions. Therefore evaluation of a complex valued function is done in terms of evaluation of real valued functions. So what is c, then all those things we shall discuss, then we'll write down for x and y, all those things. Such examples I think you are done in your elementary evaluation material. I think you might have done all this evaluation along the curve of real valued functions. ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸೆಲ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಇತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಅದು? ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ರೀ evaluation of line integrals ರೀ. ಕೇಳಿಸಿರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನೀವು. First, along the straight line, along the straight line from z equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 plus I. Second, along the curve, along the curve line segments. Explain along the curve made up of two line segments. One from z equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 and another from z equal to 3 to z is equal to 3 plus r. So first of all, z square dz ಏನಂದ್ರೆ z equal to x plus I by half theory, dz is equal to dx plus I dy half theory. So we will be expressing them like this. Okay, ಹಿಂಗೆ express ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ then along the first curve along the straight line z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 plus I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, what is the second curve? Okay, now first z is equal to 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 0, 0 z equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0, 0 z is equal to 3 plus I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 3, 1. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, always a complex number can be expressed in coordinate form. So now I am going to draw the first straight line and ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ. So that we shall try to see.
उनको सिर्फ कन्नड़ पढ़ने भी आता नहीं, लिखने भी आता नहीं सर.
Suppose I'll take this as say p here. P another 3 plus I, that is 3, 1. So understood. So first another along the straight line z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 plus I. So along this line we are required to evaluate here. Second another now the curve made up of two line segments. One from z equal to 0 to z equal to 3, z equal to 3 and 3, 0. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ z is equal to 3 to z is equal to 3 plus I ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾವು C1 ಅಂತ ಇದು C2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So integration of C will be equal to integration of C1 plus integration of C2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅದ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೆಂಗದ್ರಿ z equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 plus I. Okay, so that is what we have here. That is 0, ಈ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಏನದ it is passing through two points ರೀ 0, 0 to 3, 1. Therefore we are able to find the equation of that line in the real form. Similarly here also we can come to know what is the equation of this. Suppose if I write this as A here, we shall come to know what is OA. Equation of OA ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, equation of AB ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. So either you have to substitute for x or substitute for y, whichever is easy, then you can evaluate the line. So all of you understood this first? The first understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, then we'll go for evaluating that. Understand ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? Yes or no? Any doubt is required? All of you understood that z square dz is equal to, so it is integration from z is equal to 0 to 3 plus I z square dz. Right? So we call this as 1 here. I mean simplification ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು. But here z varies from 0 to 3 plus I. Here z varies from 0 to 3 plus I implies that x comma y varies from 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 1 implies that x comma y varies from 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 1. And can you tell me what is the equation of the line passing through 2 points? Suppose ನಮಗೆ x1 y1 x2 y2 ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if the line is passing through these 2 points because ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So what is the equation of this line joining through passing through 2 points? Anybody knows the equation? So you know that it is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You know this, all of you? You got the rhythm. You got the rhythm?
Yes, sir.
Right, correct. Next one. The equation of the line joining 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 1. The equation of the line joining 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 1 is given by x1 y1 and the x2 y2 so that all those things we shall substitute there is given by y minus y1 is to the 0 divided by x minus x1 0 is equal to y2 minus y1 1 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1 3 comma 0. So which implies y is equal to x by 3 or x is equal to 3y. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿದೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಅದ 3y ಬರೀದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ y x ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ 3y ಬರೀದ್ರೆ dx equal to 3dy ಬರೀದ್ರೆ and since x has gone y varies from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗ್ರಿ y varies from 0 to 1. So we can easily evaluate that integral. So understood all of you? The formula ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. This is the equation of the line joining or passing through x1 y1 and x2 y2. Next one is we have z square is equal to x plus I pi whole square. So you already know that this is how much here? This is x square minus y square plus I 2xy and dz is equal to dx plus I dy. Therefore integration over c z square is equal to so it is integration over 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 1 ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. It is x square minus y square z square ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ plus I 2xy. This is your z square into dz. dz ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ dx plus I dy. So ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಾಗೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಮೇಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0,0 to 3,1. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ರೀ ಏನೇನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 2xy dy ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಇಟ್ರಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರೀ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 0,0 to 3,1. ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 2xy dx ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 2xy dx ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವೈ. Understood all of you? Variable. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಇದು ಹಾಕೋದು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we are asked to evaluate along the line joining 0,0 and 3,1 and you have found out the equation of the line joining 0,0 and 3,1 as y is equal to x by 3 ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ನಾವು. But instead of substituting for dy and y, so we substitute for x because it will not be containing any denominators. Here ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾವು whether we are going to get the same answer or not. We shall see. But we have y is equal to x by 3 or x is equal to 3y. So that dx is equal to 3 dy and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಉಳಿತದೆ y ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ y varies from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೀ, y varies from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೀ 0 to 1 ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. y varies from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So understood all of you? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? ಅದೇ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ y varies ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀರಿ y varies from 0 to 1. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y is equal to 0 to 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 9y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ 9y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 3dy. ಸೊ 3dy ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 3y ಇಂಟು y dy ಇದೊಂದು ಮುಗಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ I into 0 to 1. So 2xy 2 into x is 3y into y dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 3dy ಪ್ಲಸ್ x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9y square minus y square into dy. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಗೆ y ಮತ್ತು dy ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 0 to 1 ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು 9y square minus y square 8y square into 3 24y square ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 6y square minus 6y square ಇಲ್ಲೇ 8y square 24 ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟು 3 ಅದಲ್ರಿ 24 minus 6 ರೀ 18 y square ಅದು 18 y square dy plus I into integration 0 to 1 ಇದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೊ 18y square ಆಗ್ತದೆ 18y square plus 18 plus 8 26y square dy. So all of you understood this? So now ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 18 plus 26 ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you can do that ಅಥವಾ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 18 y cube by 3 plus I into 26 y cube by 3 within the limits 0 to 1. So simplification amendment. So ಮೇಲಿಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಎರಡು 0 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲಿಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 18 by 3 actually 6 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ plus I 26 by 3. So this is how much here? 6 plus I 26 by 3. So this is your answer. So ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಈಗ ನಾವು x equal to 3y ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು y equal to x by 3 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಏನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲೇ you do on your own or shall I try? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ y ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ x by 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. So it will be x square by 9 minus 2x x by 3 right? dy ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ dy ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ dx by 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಅದರ್ ವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
Yes, sir.
y equal to x by 3 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So please try to understand. y is equal to x by 3 dx equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ sorry dy is equal to dx by 3. ಸೊ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ತಾರೆ y ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ತಾರೆ dy ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y dy ಹೋಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಉಳಿದು ಬರೀ x ಉಳಿತಾರೆ. x varies from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x varies from
0 to 3, sir.
0 to 3. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ segments from z equal to 0 to z is equal to 3 and then from z equal to 3 to z is equal to 3 plus I implies that x comma y varies from 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 0 varies from 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 0 and then from z equal to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 comma 0 to 3 comma 1 right? Right. Okay. Therefore integration of c z square dz is equal to integration of c1 z square dz plus integration of c2 z square dz. Figure that on purpose. Figure draw material ಎಲ್ಲರೂ draw the figure. Figure draw material.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now c1 ಇದ್ರದ್ದು c1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ c2 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Can you tell me what is the equation of c1? ಅಥವಾ ಇದರ 0, 0 to 3, 0 ಎಂದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮೇಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ y is equal to 0, ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ನೋ, ಸೊ equation of the segment OA is y is equal to 0, which implies dy is equal to 0 ರೀ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ y ಇರ್ತದೆ 0 ಹಾಕೋದು ನಾವು ರೀ, dy ನು 0 ಹಾಕೋದು, C1 ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ C2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? C2 is from 3,0 to 3,1 ರೀ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿವಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ C1 and C2 ರೈಟ್. along C1 we have y is equal to 0 plus dy is equal to 0 and x varies from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗ್ರಿ? x varies from ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ C1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ OA ಇದು, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ C1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ OA ಇದು. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ OA x ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ? x 0 to 3, x varies from 0 to 3. along C2 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಏನದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 3 ಅದ, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? 3,0 to 3,1 ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ x equal to 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದಲ್ರಿ, ಅದು is a line parallel to the y axis. x constant ಇರ್ತದೆ, but it is equal to 3 ರೀ. ಸೊ x equal to 3 ಅದ ರೀ. ಸೊ implies dx equal to 0 and y varies from 0 to 1. Correct? y varies from 0 to 1. ಅದರದ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನದ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ದೇರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ್ರಿ. therefore from 2 integration of c z square dz is equal to integration C1 ಏನೈತೆ ನಮ್ರಿ, x equal to 0 to 3. ಸೊ y ಮತ್ತೆ dy 0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ C1 ದಾಗ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರವ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆದಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, dy ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು